If you're looking for another high-protein meal prep recipe that takes 10 minutes or less to prep in a slow cooker, you're in the right place. This Mexican shredded chicken is packed with flavor, uses cheap and simple ingredients, and can be used multiple ways, which we'll talk more about after we make it. So let's jump right into it. Question of the day. For those who eat both, which do you prefer? Chicken breasts or chicken thighs? Let me know. Start this one by taking out your slow cooker and chopping up some optional onion. Dump that onion into the bottom and top it with 3 pounds of fat trim boneless chicken thighs. Yes, you can use chicken breasts if you don't like thighs. If you've never tried chicken thighs, they're almost impossible to overcook, only have a little more fat in them, and are usually even cheaper. I'll make sure to put the macro breakdown for both on the website, along with metric conversions, tips, and so on, which is always linked up here or down below. Over your chicken, add 1 packet of the low sodium taco seasoning mix, or pause the video, make your own with these ingredients. And 2 cans, which is 20 ounces, of some diced tomatoes with green chilies. Put your lid on and let it cook on high heat for around 2 to 3 hours, or low heat for 4 to 5 hours. Once your chicken reaches at least 165, grab 2 forks and shred it by pulling it apart like this. After that, squeeze in some lime and let it cook on low heat for another 15 to 20 minutes. In the end, it should look like this. Couple tips here. Number 1, this one is amazing for meal prep. You can eat it as is, add it to tacos or an omelet, use it in a bowl for stuffed peppers, the list goes on. Number 2, if you want to add some heat to it, throw some hot peppers in it. And number 3, it should last around 4 to 5 days in the fridge. I've definitely gone longer, but that would be my safe estimate. The winner of our last testing your guesstimating for the whip topping was bang! Congrats to you. For this week's testing your guesstimating, we're going with this much of our recipe. Guess how much you think it weighs in grams in the comments below. And the first one closest to it will win a gift card to our store, where you can purchase a shirt, shaker, or anything else you want. 1 guess per person. Thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this one, or simply to help the algorithm. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.